Hey guys! Excuse me. You are interrupted. My baby is right there. And he does not want me to do this. I just did this whole look, and it took me way longer than it should have. Anyway, hi guys! It's been a really long time since I've made a video. I think the last video I did was my my vlog, I think? Or it was my NYX Face Awards entry last year. One of those was my last video, so it's been a long time. If you follow my Instagram, you will see that I'm still active on there, and I'm currently working on 100 Days of Makeup. I think today is day 20, I think. So I'm still doing makeup, but it has just been a while since I've done anything. With having a new baby, I don't really have a lot of time to do stuff. So I will be working on getting more videos out for you guys, so let me know what kind of things you want to see. So if you guys want to see how I created this fun look, then keep on watching. Alright guys, we're starting off first with the concealer, brand Maybelline, and just putting it under our eyes and on my nose. This is just where I like to put my concealer because I don't wear a lot of face coverage. So I just kind of cover up my uneven spots. And then I'm taking my powder and I'm just going to start packing it on over my entire face. Like I said, I don't wear a lot of face cover up. So I'm just kind of making sure everything blends into everything. Alright, we're doing our eyebrows. Now, I don't know if I've ever done my eyebrows on screen before, so here we go. I'm just taking some eyeshadow from NYX. The shade is Raven, and just a little angled brush, and just kind of filling in my eyebrows. And I'm going to actually be taking liquid lipstick as well, and doing the outside part of my eyebrow, because I like using liquid lipstick because I can change up the shades to whatever I want. I don't have to just deal with a specific color. So this is what I like to do. That eyebrow was giving me some trouble, so don't mind those little scraggly hairs that are poking out. Alright, so eyebrows kind of match. They look decent. Now it's time for the eyeballs. It took me a while to figure out what I wanted to do today. I wasn't sure. Here we are, the electric palette. The best palette ever. Probably. I think so. So first, we're taking Freak, which is the green shade, and putting that all over. Just kind of blending it out. This is the transition color that we are using today. It's such a perfect light green. Now we're going in with Gonzo. Just gonna do the same thing, just a little bit lower. Obviously you can tell that we're doing a blue-green look today. Alright, so now that that's all blended out, we're going in with Gonzo and our finger, and we are just going to be covering our lid. I'm just going back and forth between the lid and then the blending it out with a brush. I like using my finger because it gets to pack on the color really, really nicely. And I just couldn't find the brush that I really wanted to use. Now that both eyes are magically done, go ahead and do the bottom lash line area as well. This is the part I often tend to forget when I'm doing my eye makeup because I just don't like putting eye makeup on the bottom part of my eyeball, I guess. Alright, time to do some tight lining. I'm going in with just a Maybelline New York eyeliner, just in black. And time for some mascara, Maybelline as well. You will know that that is a reoccurring product here. I like Maybelline. It works well for me. But if you have a favorite mascara that you like, let me know what it is, because I would love to try out a new brand. Alright, and what time is it now? Highlight! I'm going in with my Jeffree Star palette, the Alien Ice shade. I love this shade so much. It is so, so gorgeous. I can't even describe it. Actually, all these colors in this palette are gorgeous. But this Alien Ice one is really, really nice. Plus, it being a green tint, I thought it fit nicely with the green and blue makeup that we went with today. And here we are again with another Jeffree Star product. I can't help myself. It's great. And of course, it's the Mermaid Blood shade. This is probably my favorite liquid lipstick color I have ever come across in my entire life. And just look at that. Look at the color. Oh, it's so gorgeous. All right, here we go. We are done, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share and all that fun stuff. I will see you guys later.